Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be editing our model. Her name is Bikina. You can check her on Instagram, Bikina. So I'm going to put you through on frequency separation. We're using our Retouch Academy. So my Gaussian radius is 8, and my brush, we're going to be using wet 10. And so now to edit this picture, I have to start with my main tone. As you can see, I'll start with my main tone, start brushing around. You take it easy, bit by bit. You get there, just take it bit by bit. After brushing the main tone, I'll head to the shadow. I'll brush the shadow too. Yeah, I'm mixing the shadow with the main tone here. So the next thing I will do is head to the highlights. As you can see, the highlight over there. So after brushing and mixing, now go to the highlights. So as you can see, you just go bit by bit. Make sure you don't mix. So now I'm trying to mix the shadow and the highlight together, and also mixing the part of the main tone and the highlight and shadow together to blend. So guys, watch me through this process. As you can see now, the sample, there is no much difference. We are just getting it small. So yeah, so after getting to this position, the next thing I'm going to do is to head to the side. Then I'll start brushing down. So guys, just a bit by bit. Now let's move to the side of the model and see. So we're coming down now. As you can look at the side, you see some highlight. First of all, start with the highlight and start brushing down. Then after brushing down the highlight, we go to the shadow. Yeah, so brush it down on its own part. So where the interesting part of everything is when we start mixing everything together. So only what you're going to do is just watch the way the brush comes down. If you're mixing this, you don't do it anyhow, so that you won't mix anything. You understand? It's true, you're not meant to be that 100% professional and all this stuff, but at least try to get a nice flow of brush. It will actually help, it will actually help your work. So that's it. So guys, just watch this video, calm down and look at what I'm doing, how the step I'm taking, and after this we are going to also edit picture perfectly. So sit down and enjoy the process. You're gonna love it. Watch through the process and tell me where you're confused. Anywhere you're confused, you can tell me so I can repeat that particular place, or I can do another video about that. So take it easy, watch and learn how I brush my image. Gang. So guys, this is the outcome of the picture, as you can see here. Yeah, we also try to remove some blemishes that so see the outcome of the picture. You see that there is no much editing on it. So a quick bonus to the picture, I'm going to show you how we're doing the dodge and burn. So as you can see, I've dodged the forehead, the nose, the mouth side, under the eyes, those places that need highlight, you add it. Yeah, and also shadow and also you watch me burn the side. As you can see, before and after, it looks amazing. So tell me what you think about dodge and burn. Is it too much, What do you think? So here is my color grading part. I use color balance. I use levels. So tell me guys what you think about this. Yo bro, so now we're about to export. Let me show you a beautiful way to export without losing quality on your picture. So first of all, you go to your file, go to export, save for web. Once you open save for web, you see our picture original is 36 point listen and the JPEG is, so what you're going to do is 1930. Then if you save it to 1930 to your desktop, you can see now. So this is it. Are you seeing that my quality is still the same? Thank you.